Hi guys, welcome to a new episode of Battle of the G Guide. I'm Dimitri.
I'm Taya. Today we are here in
Osan City.
Woo!
Ready to explore two new amazing locations in this town with our guest of the day.
Come on in, who is she?
Welcome!
Hello! Welcome!
How do you feel today?
It's sunny, so it's hyping me up a little bit more, so I'm super excited.
It's the perfect day to explore two amazing locations, as we said earlier. And Joy, you will have to choose which of those two locations is your favorite. The only thing you have to know is your senses are going to work overtime today.
Your taste buds, be ready.
Let's go for the first location. Let's go!
Let's go!
Welcome to our first step, the Amore Factory, a very own beauty theme hotspot of Osan City. Have you ever been here before?
No, it's my first time.
This is not just a simple factory. It's a place where you can experience the philosophy, the science, and the emotions behind the cosmetics.
Cosmetics?
Yeah.
It looks like a museum.
I know, right? Are you ready to have a tour?
Definitely.
Let's go.
Okay.
All right, so here we are on the first floor at the factory station. Look at this, the beauty of those products, the process, right? Have you seen that before?
No, I really like that it's like when you enter, it gives like some aesthetic in here. It gives like weird beauty factory, like this kind of, it gives the feeling of it.
Right, I would say it's kind of a mix between a factory and some art. Good combination.
Right, that's a very good combination.
Right, our next step, I'll show you right now.
Oh, I'm excited.
Look what we have here, some welcome tea over there. Do you want to have some?
Oh yes, please.
Let's have some tea. Two kinds of tea. We have the Sunshine Muscat cold brew tea, the Sunset Peach cold brew tea. What do you feel more like?
I think I'm gonna go with the peach one.
Peach one for you. There we go.
Thank you so much.
And I'm gonna try the other one, the Sunshine one.
Do you like it?
I'm not sure yet, we'll figure out. So this is actually the own brand of Amorepacific, Osolo. Osolo. How do you like it?
I already like the smell of it, and I think you can definitely really taste the peach in it.
Right.
It gives like some refreshing.
Pretty refreshing and pretty natural, I would say, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna finish this one shot. Really good. Here's some interesting stuff too. Does it look familiar to you, this brand Era?
It looks familiar.
You may know Jennie from Blackpink, one of the ambassadors for that brand.
Oh, right.
As well as the brand like Innisfree with the partnership with Wonyo. This is where K-pop and cosmetics also sometimes gather together. You can pick any product, have a look.
Since you mentioned Jennie, I definitely want to.
Go for it.
You see how gluey this is? That's amazing.
How to make a woman happy, take her to a cosmetic factory. Do you like it?
Yeah, I would buy it, definitely.
I'm pretty sure you can see some high quality here.
Right.
Let's go for another tour.
Oh, I would love to, yeah.
So Joy, here we are. In this room you will see some historical machines used in the factory over the years, and it's pretty old ones. It shows a lot about the experience, the philosophy, the history simply around the brand over the years.
It looks really old.
It does, because this has around 100 years of histories for this brand, Amorepacific.
100 years?
Yeah.
That's amazing.
Yes. Here are some pretty old makeup things, right?
Do you know what it is?
Tell me.
So I guess it's eyeshadow.
Definitely not used to the makeup, but you will know better than me.
Yeah.
Okay, let's skip our tour. Next one, powder filling machine.
That's just a packaging, and here's the powder filling.
Powder filling machine. You're making it overcomplicated. just enjoy what you see. Last one, the air spoon. Don't ask me, it's just an air spoon. Oh, it says like 1958. Actually, this packaging I could relate to my grandma. So obviously you can see some pretty old stuff, but pretty artistic, right?
Yeah, I just wanted to mention that I really love the packaging.
That's pretty artistic. Nice. Let's move on to the next step. All right, Joy, it's time for me to show you some outdoor nice spot, which is the Amorepacific Botanic Garden.
Oh, it smells better.
All your senses are on action now.
Yes.
Just chill and relax.
Yeah.
Here you have some Potentilia fruticosa. Can you say it?
Oh, no.
I'm just pretending being a gardener, but actually it was written here. Oh, do you smell that? Those rose
The
flowers.
flowers. My woman heart is getting
It is.
really warm right now.
Do you want to have a sit? Relax. Enjoy this place.
Super amazing. I feel super relaxed. Like as a girl, I would definitely recommend to come here. That's a good place.
I knew it. I knew it. There's more to see over there.
Oh,
Let's
yes,
go.
please.
I think everyone should at least take an hour per day to do this kind of.
Yes.
It's such a nice one. Yeah, you saw it, right?
Smell it.
Yeah, amazing. Okay, now let's go over there.
There?
Yeah, come with me. Let's explore. Feel free to check this place out. Go and explore by yourself. I'll go this way. So Joy, this is the end of our visit at Amore Factory. How did you enjoy today?
It was so fun and so interesting to step back in time and see how beauty industry changed as well.
Now I think you have another visit to do with Thea. Go to meet her and I see you after that, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, see you after.
Welcome back with Joy. We are here at one of Osan's most beloved spots, Supium Duck Workshop. Do you know what duck is?
I ate tteokbokki.
Yeah, that's also made out of duck. Duck is rice cake, and today we're actually gonna try to make some ourselves. Well, you'll see, we're gonna make param duck today.
Bottom.
Param duck. You'll see what it is. I'll show you. We're gonna try to make some. Woo, let's go. This is our place for today. I'm excited.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
와. 귀엽네요.
네, 오늘 바람떡 만들 거예요. 바람떡은 떡을 만들 때 바람이 들어가서 바람이라고도 하고 먹을 때 바람이 나와서 바람이라고도 해요.
Interesting.
오늘 쌀가루로 사용할 건데요. 맵쌀가루, 찹쌀가루를 사용할 거예요.
One of them, chapsal is like more like chewy kind of texture, and mepsal is like more what what we eat usually.
바람떡 반죽은 물을 준다고 표현을 하거든요. 크럼블 상태로 줄 거예요. 두 정도. 그리고 휘저어 주세요.
Oh, like this?
How long?
리코타 치즈 정도?
Mm.
그런 느낌 정도까지 된 것 같아요.
Not that hard so far, right?
True that.
찜통에 담을게요. 이렇게 가운데를 살짝 벌려주셔야 돼요. 스팀이 골고루 배라고.
Making a donut?
Yeah. Harder than it looks. Like a hole in the middle, like this. 어때요?
아주 퍼펙트합니다. 처음 같지가 않은데요.
Are we? We did a perfect job. I mean, it looks like a donut. 그죠?
이제 쪄야 됩니다.
Oh, our donut.
Oh, shiny.
Right?
떡이 아주 잘 쪄졌습니다.
오.
뜨거워서 반죽을 제가 대신 할게요. 제가 이걸 하는 동안에 바람떡 안에 들어갈 앙금 속을 나눠주셔야 되거든요. 앙금이 뭐냐면 콩으로 만들었어요. 그거를 10g 정도씩 동글동글하게 만들어서 거기에 넣어주시면 돼요.
와, 알겠습니다. Okay, so while she's doing the dough, 무슨 냄새요?
참기름 냄새.
참기름 냄새?
그리고 이 찜통이 대나무 찜통이에요. 그래서 대나무 찜통에 찌면 향이 더 좋아요.
It's gonna smell even better. 10 grams? Oh, I'm 17. Oh, hold on. Okay, so like half of that. 10. Yes.
Okay, I'm
I'm gonna beat you.
So in Korea, like the 떡 culture is really big. For example, when a baby turns 100 days old, they do like a huge like celebration, and they give out like 떡 for that too. It's called 팩설기.
팩설기.
And it's kind of like as a celebration, they give that out.
반죽이 다 됐어요. 한번 맛보실래요?
Yes, please.
오. 말랑말랑.
맛있어요?
너무 맛있어요.
이제 여기에 원하는 색깔을 한번 넣어보도록 할게요.
이 정도만?
2방울 하셔야 돼요.
2번?
네, 2방울.
와.
예.
오케이. 오.
It's so strong.
This is like labor.
자, 이제 모양을 한번 내서
네.
바람떡을 완성할게요.
오. hold on.
반죽이 잘 물리지 않아요.
I think that's wrong.
롤러를 굴린다고 생각하지 마시고 약간 미인다고 생각하세요. 이렇게 쭉 미인다고 생각하세요.
Maybe we're not talented.
반달 모양 찍을 때는 딱 반으로 접으면 돼요. 약간 넉넉하게 접은 다음에 가운데에다가 반죽을 놓으면 돼요. 그래서 가운데에다가 찍으면 되는 거예요.
Cute.
오, 굿. Very cute.
Cute. 짜잔! These are our gorgeous little 바람떡 that we made. We can try them now, right? 짠!
Oh wow.
Who made this? We made this.
Perfect balance.
Then let's take these to go, and then you'll have to decide.
Okay, I'm ready.
Bye-bye!
We're back here after showing to our guest Joy those two amazing locations in Osan, which was the Amorepacific Factory.
And we went to make some rice cakes ourselves.
How did you feel about today?
It was so fun having the background of my skincare I use, making Korean culture food. I was diving into Korea.
Here comes the time that Joy has to decide. Let's hear to Joy.
Are you ready?
Yes.
So ready.
I'm sorry, I'm going there.
I agree. We had so much more fun.
You got her with food. Okay, I got it. I give up.
But since you lost 2 times in a row, you know what? We actually made some 떡 for you too.
Oh, that's lovely. What is that?
바람떡.
This is good. Congratulations, really. Wow, that's nice.
We'll be back in another part of Gyeonggi-do, and yeah, you'll have to tune in for another episode of Battle of the G Guide.
See you guys. Bye-bye.
See ya, bye-bye! Traditional Korean rice wine. Osan 대표 막걸리.
What did you get?
막걸리. You want one? I'll give you
Of
one.
course I want one. Makgeolli is pretty good, actually. This is the traditional makgeolli of Osan City, right?
Made in like the representative brewery.
Can't wait to try it. Let's try it right now. Okay. Let's go.
A day